In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an email address in Canva. This is a quick and super useful tip for things like flyers, digital invites, or any design where you want people to reach you easily. Let's jump in. First, open your design in Canva. Then, click on the text you want to turn into a link. Once it's highlighted, you'll see a toolbar pop up right above your canvas. On the right-hand side of that toolbar, click the three little dots to expand more options. From the drop-down, choose the link icon. It looks like a small chain link. Now, in the link settings box, type your email address, but make sure to format it correctly. Add the prefix mail to followed by your email. For example, mail to your name at example.com. That prefix is important because it tells Canva to open an email client when someone clicks it. After typing in your email, click Done to apply the link. And that's it. Your text is now hyperlinked. Whenever someone clicks it, their default email app will open, ready to send a message straight to you. This quick trick makes your designs not only look good, but also work smarter by giving people an easy way to contact you. Thanks for watching this Canva quick tip. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and keep creating.